Hello friends, welcome to Supreme Education. We are going to learn tangent segment theorem. Statement of this theorem is tangent segments drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. Now the first step to prove any theorem is to draw proper diagram. Now obviously here we have to draw one circle. We have to draw tangent segments from an external point to that circle. Here is our diagram in which there is a circle with center A and there is an external point, that is point D, and from this point D the two tangent segments are drawn, that is segment DP and segment DQ, and these two tangent segments touch this circle with center A at point P and at point Q respectively. Now here given will be in a circle with center A segment DP and segment DQ. In a circle with center A segment DP and segment DQ are the two tangent segments drawn from an external point D. Are the two tangent segments drawn from an external point D. Now what is to prove here? For that we'll go through the statement again. We have to prove that tangent segments drawn from an external point are congruent. Means we have to prove tangent segments are congruent. And here in this diagram tangent segments are segment DP and segment DQ. Means we have to prove segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. To prove is segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. Now we'll move towards last and the most important part of this whole process, that is proof. And to write proof, we have to draw radius AP and radius AQ. That we'll draw first and then we'll start proof. Proof. Now here we have to prove segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. Segment DP is congruent to segment DQ, and to prove DP and DQ as congruent, we have to prove two triangles containing DP and DQ as their corresponding sides as congruent. Now find out the two triangles containing DP and DQ as their corresponding sides. Can you find? Yes? Correct. These are the two triangles containing DP and DQ as their corresponding sides. Now we have to prove these two triangles congruent. Proof is very simple. In triangle PAD and triangle QAD, in triangle PAD and triangle QAD, segment PA is congruent to segment QA. Segment PA is congruent to segment QA. Reason will be radii of the same circle. PA and QA are the radii of the same circle. Also, segment AD is congruent to segment AD. Segment AD is congruent to segment AD. Reason will be common side. Segment AD is the common side of both these triangles. And angle APD is congruent to angle AQD. Reason will be tangent theorem. These two angles are congruent. Reason will be tangent theorem. Now what is tangent theorem? Tangent theorem tells us that a tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Listen again. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now in this circle with center A, segment DP is tangent and point P is the point of contact, and the radius drawn through the point of contact is radius AP or segment AP. By using tangent theorem, tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn through the point of contact, means radius AP is perpendicular to tangent DP, means this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, segment DQ is tangent and AQ is the radius drawn through the point of contact. Therefore, tangent is perpendicular to the radius, means this angle, that is angle AQD, is also 90 degree. Means angle APD is 90, angle AQD is also 90. Therefore, angle APD is congruent to angle AQD. Reason will be each 90 degree or tangent theorem. Now, in these two triangles, we got these two angles as congruent or these two angles as right angles. Therefore, these two triangles are right angle triangles. Now in these two right angle triangles, their hypotenuse, that is segment AD, is congruent since it is common side, and their one side is congruent, that is AP is congruent to AQ. Reason will be radii of the same circle that we have seen here. Hence hypotenuse is congruent and one side is congruent, and since these two triangles are right angle triangles, by hypotenuse side test these two triangles are congruent. Hence triangle PAD is congruent to triangle QAD by hypotenuse side test. Now since these two triangles are congruent, therefore their corresponding sides will be also congruent. Hence, DP is congruent to DQ or segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. Reason will be corresponding sides of congruent triangles, that is CSCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Hence, we have reached up to our target, that is segment DP is congruent to segment DQ. In this way, we have proved tangent segment theorem. Thank you.